Hello everyone, welcome to our Analytic Solutions channel. In this video series, you will be learning about file system objects in VBA. So when I say the video series, we'll be starting from beginning and we'll be learning the advanced way of using this FSO objects in chapter wise. In the first chapter, you'll be learning about what is this file system objects, where is it available, and few basic information about FSO. Let's see what is this FSO first. File system objects, or we also call it as FSO, is actually an option which is used to work on folders and files. These are actually a set of methods or say a programs which is available in Microsoft scripting runtime library. So all the objects, all the programs or functions or methods will be available in Microsoft scripting runtime library, which will help us in working on folders or files. So what are the uses of it? Let's understand that. The uses of it is you can create or open, read, write, and delete a folder, a text file, or any other files. Suppose if you want to check if the folder exists, I can use this FSO objects. If you want to check if files are existing or not, then I can use this FSO. If you want to create a text file and add some data to that, then I can use this FSO objects. The main intention of this FSO objects is to work on folders and files. So what are the objects available here? Say drive. Drive is nothing but the hard disk space what we have. In this, we can find whether the drive available or not. If you want to check whether the space, what is the amount of space available in the drive name, the path name. So all these information I can get it by the FSO or file system objects. Coming to the folders. If you want to create a folder, if you want to copy a folder and paste it in another location, I want to rename a folder or delete the folder, entire folder to be deleted. Or if you want to move the folder from one location to another location, then I can use this FSO objects. I want to copy or create or rename a file or delete a file or move from one location to another location, then I can use this FSO objects. I have something called as text stream, which is actually used for creating or reading the data from a text files. So FSO objects are actually used. That is the main use of FSO objects is to work on the drive, folder, file, and text files. In our next video, I'll be showing you how to create these FSO objects from Microsoft script library or using as an object. So keep watching this video series for getting more information. If you like this video, please do subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching this video.